I remember everything, Jimmy. Every moment, every breath, every utterance, every touch, everything. I remember it physically, as though I could feel her. The memories are tangible. Does that make any sense to you? But do you know what I remember most of all? Out of everything? I remember I never said goodbye to her. I just buttoned up her coat and kissed her on her head and told her that her dinner would be ready before too long, so that she shouldn't go too far. That's what I remember most of all, Jimmy. I won't ever forget that. It was very cowardly of you to leave like that. I had to deal with everything, Jimmy, on my own. I had to deal with packing her clothes away. I had to throw out some of her stuff. I wanted to keep it all, but some of it was just ridiculous. I wanted to keep her library cards, letters from her school, but I had to face up to the fact that it couldn't happen on my own. I got all of her things that I couldn't keep or sell into a box and I took them to a skip and I threw them away. And you weren't there. You weren't there, Jimmy. And I find it hard to forgive you for that. And I had to deal with the letters from her school friends and their visits and cards and gifts. And I had to thank them and not break down and kiss their faces or scream at them. Why couldn't it have been you? Because they were 7 years old, and that would have been irrational and unfair and stupid. I had to face their parents and everybody, her teachers, her swimming teacher. I had to go and tell her swimming teacher that she wouldn't be coming to her classes anymore because she was dead, Jimmy. She was dead. And I had to do it all on my own. And it was hard. And it wasn't fair. So, I don't care. I don't care what you had to fucking deal with. I packed all of her things and saw her buried properly. And I went back to my work. And I carried on, Jimmy. I met Andrew, and he looked after me so gently. The kind of gentleness that you couldn't understand. And you expect to come back into my life and that everything will be all right? And I'll hear you out and forgive you so that you can carry on with a clear fucking conscience? Well, you're wrong, Jimmy. You're so bloody wrong. You couldn't even believe it.